Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore PromeAI, a powerful AI tool packed with advanced features for image generation, upscaling, 3D modeling, outpainting, motion generation, and much more. Whether you're a designer, content creator, marketer, or just love experimenting with AI, this platform offers a wide range of tools that can take your creative projects to the next level. After signing up, you'll land on the dashboard, where you can explore various tools available. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through its different AI-powered features. Now, let's get started and see what this tool can do. The first tool I tested was the AI image generator, which offers a highly customizable experience. In the prompt box, you can enter a detailed text description of the image you want to generate. Below that, you'll find various options and advanced settings, including detailed generation mode and fast mode for different processing speeds. One of the standout features here is the style and scene selection, which gives full control over the output. There are different style categories such as photography, anime, 3D, conceptual art, illustration, and more. Additionally, the scene category provides architecture, interior design, landscapes, game character design, fashion, jewelry, vehicle designs, product concepts, and much more. This is something most AI tools don't offer in such depth. To test the tool, I started with a sketch of a futuristic building. For this, I left the style empty and selected architecture in the scene category. The generation process cost 0.2 coins, which is reasonable. After clicking Generate, the output was ready. Looking at the result, the level of detail was impressive, and compared to other tools, PromeAI offers much more control over the creative process. Another great feature is that you can download an upscaled version directly without any extra steps. Next, I wanted to test portrait generation, so I selected fashion photography as the style and fashion design as the scene. This section is particularly powerful because it provides fine-tuned controls over human portrait generation, allowing users to create elderly faces, children, different hairstyles, cultural styles like Italian and American, and even glamorous fashion portraits. Additionally, it includes perspective controls, where you can adjust camera angles from close-ups to macro shots. This is one of the most advanced AI generation tools I've seen. I tested this feature by generating a high-end fashion model portrait, and the output was outstanding, capturing fine details like lighting, textures, and depth. In the advanced section, you can customize the image aspect ratio and even control lighting settings, including key lighting, translucency, and luminescence. These are professional-grade settings that allow users to create studio-quality images effortlessly. For a creative test, I generated an image of a queen with emerald eyes wearing a crown. The AI handled the details beautifully, creating a royal and highly detailed portrait with stunning color grading and intricate jewelry designs. The final result was mind-blowing, proving that PromeAI is capable of producing high-quality artistic images. After that, I tested multiple image generations with unique concepts, speeding up the process to showcase a variety of results. Each output looked incredible, with rich details and accurate rendering, making PromeAI stand out among other free AI tools. Next, I tested how well PromeAI handles environment designs by generating a futuristic utopian cityscape. The AI blended nature and technology perfectly, producing a highly detailed, visually stunning city with an advanced architectural aesthetic. This tool is ideal for architects, game designers, and urban planners looking to create concept art for futuristic environments. To check how well PromeAI converts sketches into rendered images, I tried the sketch rendering tool. This feature allows users to upload a hand-drawn sketch and transform it into a fully detailed, realistic image. It also includes style, scene, and mode controls for precise adjustments. For the first test, I used one of the sample sketches provided on the site. After entering a simple cyberpunk-style prompt, I clicked Generate. and the AI instantly transformed the sketch into a highly detailed 3D rendered image. I then tested the same building image I had previously generated but left the prompt empty this time. The AI still managed to produce a fully rendered version of the initial concept, making it a perfect tool for architects and designers. The difference between the original sketch and the AI rendered version was mind-blowing. To push the tool further, I generated a cyberpunk-style futuristic home, and the result was incredible, adding textures, reflections, and advanced lighting effects seamlessly. One of the most unique tools on PromeAI is its image-to-video feature, which lets users animate still images. You simply upload an image and enter a motion prompt to generate a dynamic scene. I tested it with various user-generated examples, and each result was smooth, fluid, and well-animated. Another rare feature that PromeAI offers is the 3D model generator, which most AI tools don't include. I uploaded a cricket bat image and converted it into a 3D model, then downloaded it as an .obj file, making it usable in Blender and Unreal Engine. Even though the AI had limited data for the backside of the object, the generated 3D model was still very usable and impressive. PromeAI also features a mockup generator, allowing users to create realistic product and branding mockups. This is perfect for businesses, designers, and e-commerce brands looking to showcase products professionally. The HD Upscaler is another powerful feature. I uploaded a low-resolution image, enabled creativity control, and generated an upscaled version. The results were crystal clear, with sharp details and no distortion, making this a must-have tool for anyone looking to enhance image quality. PromeAI includes Outpainting, a feature usually found in premium AI tools. I tested it by uploading a half-cut image of actor Ajit Kumar, then used the autofill function to extend the image. The AI successfully generated the missing parts, making it look like a naturally completed portrait. Beyond what I've tested, PromeAI also offers character design, pixel art generator, headshot generator, interior and exterior remodel, virtual try-on for fashion, sticker maker, and much more. This platform is packed with features, and one day isn't enough to explore everything. PromeAI offers yearly, monthly, and team plans, but free users get 10 coins per month, which is enough for basic testing. PromeAI is one of the most advanced AI tools available today, offering unparalleled customization and professional quality outputs. It's a must-try for anyone in design, animation, or creative fields. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The next video is going to be even bigger, so stay tuned.